Hi friends, it is time for a makeover on my pantry. I need a refresh, and so I'm out on a hunt for some perfect organizing solutions to give me that refresh I'm looking for this fall. So let's get started. Okay, so many of you are familiar that I use the half-gallon mason jars. I absolutely love these. I've had them for so many years, and I just really needed to see something different. You know, I have a glass door on my pantry. I have been looking at this for years, and I really wanted just a refresh, although I did love these canisters, and I did want to get in that pantry, get rid of things that were expired, downsize the food that we're eating now, you know, because our lifestyles are a little busier and different. So I wanted to just make sure I purged down to what we really needed. And basically with the fall here, I just wanted to give my pantry just a complete clean and just refresh. So this is how I did it. Now, one thing that I am keeping in the pantry are my baskets. I love these, and I've had them for years also, but I love that on the inside, they're coated so I can wipe them out so that if anything gets dirty or spilled, it's easy to keep clean, and they're very durable, so I'm keeping these. Now, I did relabel everything, and I did that for the purpose of refreshing. I think that I wanted something simpler, just, you know, not anything, you know, too ornate. And I just thought it would make the pantry look better, just kind of relabeling. And sometimes when you want to refresh your space, just relabel, and it can give it a whole new look. I still have a few of them that I'm still working on, but you know, I'm going to get those tweaked. And it also gives you the opportunity to kind of move things around if you feel like they would work better in another area. So friends, my pantry was a simple process of getting the things out and just kind of putting the bins back in and putting all the canisters in. I love that they're concealed now. And the beautiful thing about it now, when I look, it's very streamlined. It's just very neutral. And I just absolutely love the look. And then the thing that I love about it is I needed to incorporate Bentley and Albert into the pantry because they have different things that we needed to give them their own mini pantry within our pantry. And I did a or rather a pet pantry video that is on their channel, and they have a pet channel, and it's At Home with Bentley and Albert, and I'll put the link below. So if you want to see their pantry and all the details about what I have in their section, it's in that video. And so basically, friends, I just have everything categorized like I need it so that we can easily, when we buy groceries, we can easily just come and dump everything basically where it goes. Now, as far as the canisters, because they are not, you know, clear where you can see what is in it, and they're not labeled, and I don't want to label them because they're beautiful. I just wanted two different styles so that it just had a very streamlined look. And so I labeled them on the top of the shelf so I can easily see what it is, but when you look on, you don't see the labeling, so it just makes it convenient. And another thing that I love about having the canisters is I can simply just sit the bags of flour or whatever it is in there. I don't have to necessarily pour it out, but it looks beautiful in the pantry. Another upgrade that I did to the pantry was I put a beautiful silver hook in here for my apron. I never did have anywhere convenient to put my apron so that I could easily get to it, and now it fits in the pantry. It's easy to get to, perfect for the holidays. And then above it, I have this little message board that I had custom made, and the size is perfect for my pantry, and I can put little reminders up here if I want to give a little reminder for Mike to pick something up for me, or I need a reminder. As we're opening the pantry, we can easily see it. So friends, another thing is, you know, I love to keep my oils, if you've been with me a while and seen my other pantry videos, in alternate containers, and I found these here that are perfect. I thought they match the aesthetic of my pantry, along with they have the function, and so I thought it was just a beautiful addition, and it really is a great refresh for the pantry. I still keep the same system of having them on the Lazy Susan, but now it just looks absolutely beautiful. And the great thing is, if I have those that are not going to be in the containers, like something that maybe I'm going to only use once or I don't use often, I can sit those on the Lazy Susan and just turn the Lazy Susan around, and you can easily not see it, but I can easily get to it if I need it. Now, I did not change anything in the top of my pantry. You all know this is where I keep all of my appliances, and I love keeping those in bins also because it makes it easy to pull down, number one, and then two, it allows me to keep everything together. So a lot of times with appliances, they have different little attachments, they have instructions. Well, I can keep everything for that specific appliance in their bin so that everything is always together and I can always get to everything. Now, I did relabel the bins so that, you know, that's one thing I did do to them so that they fit the rest of the pantry, But other than that, no change there. So for the fall, I did want to put a wreath on my pantry door. I felt like it needed something. And this is a lot of white, a lot of neutral, but you all know that's what I love. So you have to do what you love in your home. But what I love is I can put those nice little punches in there if I want to of color, or if I want to add neutrals on top. And I love white pumpkins. So I thought doing a cute little white pumpkin wreath would be perfect on my pantry door. So I went to a couple of my Michael's and different craft stores, and I found some little pumpkins and the wreath, and I thought I'll keep it simple and just kind of put a little bit of white pumpkins, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, just to make it a touch of fall and to add a little bit of refresh to the outside of the pantry. So friends, here's my completed pantry. I'm so happy with it. It just feels so refreshing. I know that it's cleaned out. We don't have anything expired in there. We have the things that we need and that it's categorized. Although I'm ready now to go order my groceries online so I can stock it up with the things that we're currently going to eat. But I know now that my pantry is ready for the fall, the holidays, and it feels good to have this project done. I also want to remind you, go to Bentley and Albert's channel so you can see more details about their pantry. If you're not subscribed to my channel, friends, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I have so much wonderful content that I want to bring out to you, so definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, friends, if you missed my video from yesterday, I did a video on my fall tablescape tips. I'll link that video below, so definitely check that out. And I hope you all are doing great and enjoying your fall season. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.